and they're off. G-Licious comes out guns blazing. My Inca Princess breaks sharp 2. Lady Eugenie has come out running in 3rd. Fancy Brianna in the orange cap is fanned wide. Lady Mojo comes at the fence to be right at the heels of that leader, heading to the half-mile pole. Delightful Mission, 5 lengths from the front, then 3 more to a wide Miss Acapulco. Delightful Affair is dropped back to 8th. Field moving into the far turn. My Inca Princess, the leader, by just about a length to G-Licious, now 3 furlongs from home. Fancy Brianna running a wide 3rd. Lady Mojo holds her spot down there at the fence. Miss Acapulco coming with a wide and ambitious run. Lady Eugenie trying to stay this pace. Farther back then to Diamond Mission and Delightful Affair wide and last. They're into the stretch. My Inca Princess battles G-Licious. Even this final furlong and a half. They've pulled away from Miss Acapulco. Lady Mojo has no more to give. G-Licious, My Inca Princess, and these two going at it, hammer and tongue up toward the wire. G-Licious, My Inca Princess, G-Licious wears down My Inca Princess to win all out. 10 lengths clear on the wire from Delightful Affair 3rd and Miss Acapulco finish 4th.